So what we got going on today, folks, is replacing some posts in the purple Concord Welch's grapes along the shores of Lake Erie, outside of Buffalo, New York. Grapes are just starting to turn, so stay tuned and we'll get some action going. They should be getting ready to get picked here in about another 3 weeks, so the beginning of like August 1st. Or so they will be ready to be picked. We'll get some action getting the grapes picked, Concord grapes. So stay tuned and we'll get some action going, replacing some posts. The posts got broken because of the weight of the grapes. So much weight it snaps the post. So yeah, if you like Welch's grape juice, jams, there'll be a new quantity of grapes getting picked here soon. So we'll get some videos of the Concord purple grapes getting picked. Stay tuned and we'll get some action going. Of replacing posts and the Concord grapes. Those are the purple ones. That's that. So we'll get a video doing one, and we just did two, but hang on tight. Another couple of weeks, grapes will all be ready. Not quite ready yet. I'll tell you one thing though, you can start smelling them at night. They smell great, then they'll get really potent. You can smell them driving down the road and everything. It's got like a deep, sweet, purpley, grapish smell. It smells excellent this time of the year. So that's that, folks. So there's not super many on this farm here, but we're gonna get them done, and thank you for watching. If you got any questions, comment me. Comment, like, and subscribe, and always be safe. We'll get some action when the grapes are going to be getting picked. We'll get the picker out and get some action. Have a good day.